Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to Want to Step YouTube channel, and we are back with another tutorial video. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can buy Walmart gift card. But before I show you guys how you guys can buy it, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's dive right into the video. So the first step is you want to go to your browser and you want to search for Walmart.com. You want to go to Walmart's official website over here. So let me go to that website real quick. Now once you come to Walmart.com, basically what you want to do is you want to search for Walmart e-gift card over here because we want to buy Walmart's gift card. All right, now after you search for it, you want to click on press and hold to verify my identity. I'm just going to do this. It might ask you to do or it might not ask you to do. It's just to verify that if you're a bot or a human. All right, so yeah, after you verify you're a human, then it's basically going to show you all the gift card of Walmart which is available. You can pick whichever you want. Over here where it says Walmart e-books, which means you can buy books with this gift card. But if you want to buy anything from Walmart, then you can go from over here where it says from $5, which means the price of this gift card starts from $5. So I'm going to click on from $5 over here. Now once you're over here, it's basically this is the gift card. Now it's gonna ask you how much amount you want to be in this gift card. So let's say you want a $300, you can click on $300. You can even add custom amount, but remember the amount needs to be more than $5. All right, so let's say I want a $10 one. I can enter $10 over here. After I enter $10, I can click on where it says add to cart. I'm just going to click on add to cart, and it's going to ask me how much quantity I want this card. Let's say I want one $10 card. I can just choose one. After I choose one, basically what I can do is after I choose one, I want to click on where it says add to register. I'm going to click on add to register. Once I click on add to register, it's going to be added to my cart over here. Now I can just go to my cart. As you guys can see, it's added over here. Now once it's added over here, basically what you want to do is you want to click on continue to checkout. After you click on continue to checkout, it's going to ask you for your name, address, and other thing. After you fill up this form, then basically it's going to ask for your payment detail. And after you enter your payment detail and pay for this card, basically this card will be delivered to your address which you enter over here. So yeah, that's basically how it works. So hope you guys are able to understand this video. And with this gift card, you can buy whichever thing you want on Walmart. Now remember, if it's a $10 gift card, you can't just buy $20 worth of stuff. With $10 gift card, you can only buy $10 worth of stuff. All right. So it's a one-time use card. Once you use it, you can't recharge it. You can throw it away after you use it. So yeah, that's basically how this card works. I hope you guys were able to understand it. It also shows me when it arrives as well by Tuesday, August 10th. So hope you guys were able to understand. If you were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And yeah, you can use this on a physical store or from Walmart's online website to buy stuff as well. I forgot to say that. Have a nice day and bye-bye.